Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dylan over here again. Let's get started today. June 30th, last day of the month, last day of the quarter. Interesting day, as always. Whatever I do say here is my personal opinion. I do not recommend to buy or sell any securities or investment products. Please invest at your own risk and at your own time horizon. So, let's begin. E-mini S&P. Let's look at the S&P 500. Interesting day we got today. We had the S&P and the Dow rally. Well, not rally, but close up. And we had the Nasdaq sell off or trade negative today. So looking at today's action, let's take a look at the daily close. Super strong, super bullish. Again, all-time high. You know, we're just grinding higher and higher. Look at this weekly chart. Higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs. We did kind of break this low here, so that's interesting. That's a good thing to note. So if you want to let's take a closer look. That's interesting. You know, someone was willing to sell lower than here. So just keep that in mind. Keep this low here. What's this low? 4269, 4020. All right. Whoa, hold on. All right, so you know, interesting stuff we got. Let's take a look at my favorite chart real quick. Okay, so if we look at the chart, what do I see? We're still trending higher, you know. We keep bouncing off this weekly VWAP. Today we traded above, actually no, today Wednesday we did go below the VWAP. Kind of hit that VPOC area over here, and then eventually I'll teach you guys what all this means, but we hit that VPOC, bounced up, stayed at that VWAP, and traded higher for the rest of the day. Oh, that was overnight, actually. My apologies. We traded sideways at the open. Wait, 9:30, 9:30. Boom. Rally. Wow. Okay, interesting. So am I bullish? Yep, I'm pretty bullish. As I keep saying, I will not go long here. I mean, I do my own plays. For my guys, my clients, you know, I'm more conservative when it has to be. I will not short because this market is bullish. But yeah, let's take a look at the NQ that fell today. You see, we closed bearish. Oh wow, interesting. Okay, let's take a look over here. So today we kind of just traded sideways, consolidated above that weekly VWAP. You know, those sellers were really defending the daily VWAP. We could not break above. To me, this shows that we got some aggressive selling coming in on the tech. So I do expect a little pullback, a little sell-off on the tech sector. So keep that in mind. Other than that, still bullish on Nasdaq. Let's see the Dow. Any news that happened today? We had some great econ numbers. Let's see. We had employment rates, I believe. Non-farm employment. Yeah, up 100K. Non-farm. Tomorrow's an important day. We got, and give me a second. Okay, so yeah, we got tomorrow. Ooh, we got a lot of stuff going on tomorrow. 8:30 unemployment claims. Okay, so this is probably going to be a positive number. That's my anticipation, because you know, everyone's getting back to work. You know, COVID's pretty much over. You know, down here in Florida, everything's normal. The gym, like I honestly, genuinely feel like nothing happened. As crazy as it sounds. Yeah, you see people with masks, but it's just like, it's different now. It just feels different. And not to mention the, you know, those benefits are over, so everyone has to get back to work. So we'll see how the volatility reacts. looking at the charts over here, Dow closed very bullish on some volume, beating 1, 2, 3, 4, beating a couple days. Taking a look at this chart again, rally, beautiful rally, hitting the volume value area low over here at support. Okay, so we see some value stocks going into the rally. And last but not least, let's check the Russell. Russell's kind of interesting. Why can't I just do this? Okay, let's check this out. Okay, all right, Russell. All right, so we had some bullish had this little pullback over here these last couple of days. All right, so I'm not bullish on the Russell yet until we break this high, which we're trying, and close above on a bullish day. No, looking at this chart over here, kind of starting a downtrend. We broke market structure over here. VWAPs are kind of starting to go below. A little respect of that monthly VWAP over here. Now, what do I? When will I be bullish? Above 2330. We'll probably do like a little rally pullback. That's when I'll start to get bullish. But yeah, not much to it. Overall, the markets it's just grinding higher. We see these couple percent, like, here's something we gotta mention, and I'll leave it here. Back a couple years ago, the indices, the quote unquote rally would be, 0.5%, like at 1% at most. That would be a crazy rally. Okay, keep that in mind. That was like what, 2017, 2018, and before. It just traded flat. Remember, these are indexes. Okay, so now we got what, billions and billions of money of money that has been pumped into the market, on the trillions, if we include the Fed and retail. If you read the news, we have Schwab, TD, Fidelity at record highs of account openings, 10 million new investors. That liquidity is in the market now. So what does that mean? That means more volatility, more opinions, more people going long, more people selling, more people going short. What is that gonna result into? More volatility. So that that rally back then that was maxed out at 1%, that's right now, that's the new of that is 3%. We see those huge rallies of like 2-3%. That was back then when we saw those rallies of 1%. And now it's just like, right now we're trading just between 1%, 50, and that's just the normal day in the market, and people do not get that. So I'll talk more about this another time. It's I want to keep these videos short, 5 to 10 minutes, so I get your attention span. They're gonna get better. You see, as I keep telling you guys, just want to consistently upload a video every day in the market. I committed to that, and working on the website right here. Got awesome stuff going. So just stick around, and it's gonna be great. Take care, guys.